coming in from the center here in India, which has cautioned all states to keep an eye on pro-Iran protests, ensure it does not turn into a law and order issue, as we're already witnessing in Pakistan. Police brass also asked to preempt any inflammatory summons in religious gatherings. Let's quickly take this forward with Arunima. Arunima, what are the instructions being sent out to the states?
See, the background is that Ayatollah Khomeini was a religious figurehead also for the Shia sect. So in Lucknow, for example, in Kargil, in Kashmir, we had seen a lot of mourners come out and hit the streets after news trickled in that he had been eliminated in the Israel-US joint strike. But there was a risk that this fury could deteriorate into a law and order issue. You rightly pointed out to the example of Pakistan, where the situation has become out of hand. So the center's advisory to the state governments, especially to the police brass, discourage any kind of sermon at religious congregations which can turn political. At Ghanta Ghar near Lal Chowk in Srinagar, for example, steps have already been taken. That entire area saw a lot of mourners and protesters gather yesterday. But then late at night, I think action was taken. That area has been barricaded. Similar protests were seen in Kargil also, where there is a significant presence of Shia sect. And there also, police is keeping a very close eye on the kind of gathering that is happening. The Imambara area in Lucknow. Again, Lucknow is a city where the Shia population, and Akansha, it's a hometown, you would know more.
Okay.
There's a lot of population of the Shia sect there. So these pockets, specifically, police has been asked to keep an eye to ensure that it does not translate, that Indian soil is not utilized by either pro-Iranian or pro-Israel activists for any kind of political, sloganeering or protest.